Welcome to the concept video of the Python programming. Myself Sanjay from CSIT branch, and my topic of the concept video is set functions. Before directly going to set functions, we need to know about the set. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of four built-in data types in Python. Used to store collection of data. In other three are list, tuple, and dictionary, with all with different qualities and usage. A set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Creating Python sets. A set is created by placing all the items, that is elements, inside the curly brackets separated by comma or by using built-in set function. It can have number of items and they may be different types. They may be of the different data types like integer, float, tuple, string, etc. But a set cannot have mutable elements like list, sets, or dictionary as its elements. And now the set functions are: the first one is add method. This method is used to add the element to the set. The element will be added to the unspecific location as it is unordered. For example, this is the input we have given, and after that, by placing dot add bracket, and the element which we are going to add is written in double quotes, and print the set, and the output we are gonna get is cherry, orange, banana, and apple. And the second one is the clear method. This method is used to remove all the elements from the set. For example, here we are taking the set of three elements: apple, banana, and cherry, and to clear, we need to write the name of this set dot clear, and print this set, and we are gonna get the output as this. Copy method. This method is used to make a copy of the set, and the set name is fruits: apple, banana, cherry. X equal to fruits dot copy, and print x, and we are gonna get the output as cherry, banana, and apple. The difference method returns a set containing the difference between two or more sets. X equal to apple, banana, cherry, and y equal to Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Z equal to x dot difference and brackets in brackets y, and we are going to print this z, and the output we are going to get is cherry and banana. And the next one is difference update method. Removes the items in the set that are also included in another specified set. X, we are gonna same the last experiment like apple, banana, and cherry. Y equal to Google, Microsoft, and Apple. And x dot difference update y, print x, and the output we are gonna get is cherry and banana. Discard method. Discard method removes the specific items from the set. Means it removes the item which we are selected. For example, let's take a set called apple, banana, and cherry, and the element which you want to return is like this set dot discard, and we have to write the element which we want to remove in from this set. Let's take an example like banana and print this set, and the output we are gonna get is cherry and apple without the banana, because we have discarded the element from the set. And the next one is intersection method. The intersection method returns a set that contains similarity between two or more sets. The meaning is the returned set contains only items that exist in both sets, or in all sets if the comparison is done with more than two sets. For example, let's take the two sets, same example: apple, banana, and cherry. Y equal to Google, Microsoft, and Apple. Z equal to x dot intersection y, and the print z, and in this common, the common element is apple, and we are gonna get the output apple. Intersection update method removes the items that is not present in both sets or in all sets if the comparison is done between more than two sets. The intersection update method is different from the intersection method because the intersection method returns a new set without the unwanted items, and the intersection update method removes the unwanted items from the original set. Same example, and x dot intersection underscore update y, and if we are gonna print this, the output we are gonna get is apple. Is disjoint method. The is disjoint method returns true if none of the items are present in both sets, otherwise it returns false. X equal to apple, banana and cherry, y equal to Google, Microsoft and Facebook, z equal to x dot is disjoint y, and print z. The output we are gonna get is true. Is subset set. The is subset method returns true if all items in the set exist in the specified set, otherwise it returns false. X equal to a b c and y equal to f e d c b a. Z equal to x dot is subset y, and print z, and the output we are gonna get is true. Pop method. Pop method removes a random items from the set. This method returns the removed item. If we don't specify any element in the pop method, then by default it will remove the first element of this, and it is the main point. It will remove the first element of this set if we do not specify the any element in the pop method. Example, fruits apple, banana, cherry, and fruits dot pop, print fruits. We are not specified here any element from these three, that's why this gonna remove the last element, apple and banana. The remove method removes the specified element from the set. The method is different from discard method because the remove method will raise an error if the specified item does not exist, and the discard method will not. Example, fruits apple, banana and cherry, and we are going to remove the specific element from this three, and it is banana, and if we print this, the output we are going to get is only apple and cherry. Symmetric underscore difference method. The symmetric difference method returns a set that contains all items from both sets, but not the items that are present in both sets, meaning the return set contains a mix of items that are not present in both sets. Example, the same example, z equal to x dot symmetric difference y, print z, and the output we are going to get is cherry, banana, Google and Microsoft. The common element will not come in the output. Union method returns a set that contains all items from the original set and all items from the specific sets. You can specify as many sets as you want, separated by commas. If it does not have to be set, it can be any iterable object. If an item is present in more than one set, the result will contain only one appearance of this item. Example, x equal to apple, banana and cherry, y equal to Google, Microsoft, Apple, z equals to x dot union y, print z, and the output from that is banana, apple, Google, cherry and Microsoft. Update method. The update method updates the current set by adding items from another set or any other iterable. If an item is present in both sets, only one appearance of this item will be present in the updated set. X equal to apple, banana and cherry, y equal to Google, Microsoft, Apple, x dot update y, print x, and the output we are gonna get is banana, apple, cherry, Microsoft and Google. In the conclusion of this topic, so as we have seen, set is a very useful data type in Python. It is very similar to the list. The only difference is brackets, and it does not take duplicates values. We can use sets to store the data where the data has to be unique is very important, and ordering of the data is not important as they are not unordered. Thank you.